Hey guys, it's Morgan from I Want That, and we're about to go kayaking in New York City's East River. The Brooklyn Bridge is right over there. I'd love to get a closer view, and I think this thing is the perfect way to get there. Come on. And I'm in. Yes! So, the East River awaits. The East River is notoriously treacherous, so this could be a very bad idea. So, yeah, it's kind of terrifying, but if I get in trouble, I'll call you, or I'll call 911. So Oru Kayaks specializes in folding origami kayaks. This boat here is the Bay ST model. It's 12 feet long, 28 pounds, and costs about $1,600. So what I love about these kayaks is that they're great for people living in the city or where space is a premium, because they pack down small enough that you can store it in your closet, you can keep it in your car, you can put it basically anywhere a normal size kayak won't go. So yeah, $1,600 might sound like a lot, but when you get down to it, the features that this thing has and the fact that you can take it anywhere, travel with it, and store it anywhere, I think that price actually is really fair. Setup for this thing really isn't that challenging. It took me about 20 minutes the first time. There's a really easy to follow step-by-step guide on their YouTube page.
Hello, and welcome to the Oru Kayak community. In this video, we'll walk you through the assembly of the Bay ST.
As you do it more and more, it's going to get faster. They claim that you can get this thing put together in about 5 minutes. Right now, it's still taking me around 10 to 20 minutes, but it definitely gets easier the more you do it. So Oru Kayak also just released a new tandem model. It's called the Haven. It costs about $2,200, and it's great for couples or for someone who wants to be able to have the option to take a passenger along. And if you're curious, the Oru Kayak is rated for about 20,000 folds. So that means that you're not going to have to worry about this thing wearing out on you every time you open and close it. I don't have any doubt that this is going to keep me on the water when we're out there. Is that true? I have a little bit of doubt. Damn, that was hard. Oh no! Oh, it's so graceful. Whew! All right, well, that was equally parts terrifying and exhilarating. Honestly, it was way choppier than I thought it was gonna be out there. There was a lot of waves and wake from the different boats passing by. The kayak held up great though. I think my paddling abilities could be improved quite a bit, but overall, the Oru Kayak was a total blast to paddle in. And now all we gotta do is pack this thing up, jump on the train, and head home.